Hello, this is HPEDM rotate Vise 0 to 100 mm. Our part number is HE-W063579C. The products was compatible Erowa ER-007935 perfectly. How to use it? These products can be rotated 360 degrees. Just loose these two screws, this screw and this screw. I will show you. Loose it about 3 mm. Don't loose too much. This one is also. Then, yeah, you will lose it little. It's okay now. You can look it. It can be rotated 360 degrees. Yeah. And this product, we attached 3 different lengths jars. This one jas 25 mm, this one 50 mm, and this one 75 mm. It can be clipping different lengths workpiece from 0 to 100 mm. It was clipping workpiece here. Yes, I will just will show you. And to this one, to fix on it. Workpiece here. And then use these 2 screws to fix on it. Fix on it, then it will be okay. Use the jars to fix the workpiece, like this. And then you put on the Erowa truck here. Yes, it can be fixed on Erowa manual or pneumatic truck, both okay. Then fix on it like this. Yeah, this product made of high quality stainless steel. Accuracy is very high. Price is good. Warranty is 1 year. Welcome to inquire. www.cncedmpro.com. Thank you.